welcome to our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Today we're going to unbox RF-550 series macro LED ring flash. So here are the parts. We have macro ring head, power control, extension cable, translucent diffuser, ring flash LED light, lock, adapter ring, battery cover, hot shoe base, fixed knob, hot shoe contact, test button, mode switch button, LED light steady on button, power switch, output power adjustment button, vacancy button, output power adjustment button, and LCD display screen. And here are its main functions. First, its innovative LED technology, high quality LED light close to natural light, 7 levels of luminance status, new functions of photography lights to meet higher photograph needs. Second, the left flash and right flash function makes objects appear more dimensional. It is applicable in the field of macro shots, scientific research, medical fields, and personal photography. High-definition LCD display screen shows more vivid and clear objects. The ring flash can be mounted on a video camera or camcorder as photography light, and 48 pieces LED makes higher luminance and lower static power consumption. LCD panel description, power level indication, mode indication, output power indication. watching. This is Vienna, and that's all for today. See you again next time.